So, hello, good morning guys. Welcome to my vlog. So, for our today's video, we will be gonna talk about two stories and we will be gonna talk about the similarities and differences to our new 21st century literary themes. So, let's get started.
Don't wake me, I'm not dreaming. Past times could never hold me down. Lost love, sweeter when it's finally found. I got the strangest feeling.
For our stories for today is the Mask of the Red Death by Edgar Allan Poe on 1842 and the Vaccine by Jim Bartley in 2020. So, let's find out on the similarities and differences of these two stories to our 21st century literary themes. So, let's start by finding the similarities of it. So, the first story is both stories has a theme of natural or man-made catastrophe. That is the theme that both story has, especially on the part where the plague is giving scaredness on people. Second is, it has a theme that affects the character's action and feeling and also the setting of the story. And third is, it gives also a scaredness reaction on the viewers about the effects of the plague. So let's now find out on their differences in 21st century literary themes. So, The Mask of the Red Death has a theme of struggle for identity or purpose, on which character exhibit a quality he admires, but he may find it challenging to do so, and the theme for the vaccine is personalized narrative that express the character's experience and responsibility, and also they have different main point or idea. Like in the first story, it has a idea that no one can escape death, even how good your status of life is. And for the second story, it has a point of happiness, that happiness is the vaccine for every situation of our life. So, thank you. So, that's it. I hope you learned something on my video for today. So, goodbye and God bless to you all.